Rakyat Malaysia tak boleh terima. Rakyat Malaysia sebahagiannya bersikap apa yang dikatakan holier than thou. Makna dia semua ulama lah. Rakyat Malaysia tak boleh terima. Rakyat Malaysia sebahagiannya bersikap apa yang dikatakan holier than thou. Makna dia semua ulama lah.
MP for Labis and from all party posts with immediate effect. Datuk Seri Dr. Chua said his resignation had been conveyed to the Prime Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister and the MCA President. Speaking at a press conference at the Health Ministry at 3:35 p.m, Datuk Seri Dr. Chua said he decided to relinquish all the posts after getting feedback from the people.
Dan saya sudah tampil ke hadapan berdepan dengan bukan hanya pemimpin negara dan parti, bahkan dengan rakyat jelata. Nampaknya tidak boleh diterima. So dengan itu saya ingat lebih baik kepada saya dan keluarga saya untuk kami letakkan jawatan supaya saya tidak menjadikan satu beban kepada kepimpinan negara.
Noting that while those in public office like to stand on high moral grounds, Datuk Seri Dr. Chua said he felt proud for coming out in the open to admit his fault.
I feel proud at least that I dare to admit. I've never said that it's not me. I've never said that they must prove that it's me. I never even said that it was doctored. I never said that.
However, he admitted that he did not at all expect the overwhelming negative response from the public after he made the confession Tuesday that he was the man in the DVD.
Rakyat Malaysia tak boleh terima. Rakyat Malaysia sebahagiannya bersikap apa yang dikatakan holier than thou. Makna dia semua ulama lah. So dengan itu saya berpendapat kalau saya terus memegang jawatan dalam parti atau kerajaan, dia akan menjadikan satu bebanan kepada kerajaan dan parti.
Datuk Seri Dr. Chua hoped that his resignation would be a lesson to all leaders, whether in the MCA or other component parties of the Barisan Nasional. He said as an MCA member who had held government positions for almost 20 years, he would remain loyal to the party and BN leadership. Datuk Seri Dr. Chua also said the Prime Minister told him that the sex DVD episode will be probed.
Kerajaan akan menyiasat punca dan sesiapa di belakang tape ini supaya dia tidak menjadikan satu amalan di negara ini untuk menjatuhkan sesiapa.